Hello, I'm Joe Bega, President of Tri-City Marketing Council.
And I'm DeeDee French, 2018 President of Real Estate Alliance of Livermore. It's time for nominations and elections for our marketing group board positions, and we're asking all of you to consider running.
We know what you're thinking. Why would I want to do that? Isn't it a huge time commitment? What's in it for me? So we're going to share a big secret with you and tell you exactly why you'd want to run.
Being on the board gives me more networking opportunities to build my business because people recognize me and they know me by name.
Serving on a marketing board can lead to further leadership opportunities at Bay East, CAR, and even NAR.
If you're not attending a marketing meeting, then you are on an island alone. If you do attend the meetings, then you are in a party boat full of friends and good times. But if you're on the board, then you are hosting the party, and everyone appreciates a good host.
Being on the board makes you attend regularly, and I learn so much from the guest speakers each week.
It gave me practice stepping out of my comfort zone and helped me gain new skills.
You get into the meeting each week for free.
And it's a chance to give back to your local association as a volunteer.
It allows me to be the change I wish to see at the marketing meetings.
I went from being a shy wallflower sitting in a corner to up front and center where everyone speaks to me.
Being on a marketing board means I'm usually one of the first people to know about important issues going on in our association and in our industry as a whole. I love being someone in the know.
See, there are many great reasons why our members should consider running for a position on our marketing board.
There are lots of positions too, so no matter what your talents and interests are, there's sure to be a position you can fill.
So, contact your local marketing group nomination committee today. Take a step towards becoming a Bay East leader.
I'll be looking forward to working with you in 2019.